Before you begin, remove the access panel and front bezel. Removal. Disconnect the SD card reader cable from the connector on the system board. Press the tab and slide the SD card reader to disengage it from the chassis. Remove the SD card reader from the chassis. Repeat steps 1 through 4 to remove the Thunderbolt board. Replacement. Guide the SD card reader cables through the cutout on the front of the chassis. Slide the SD card reader into the cutout on the front of the chassis, ensuring the alignment tabs are properly aligned. Reconnect the SD card reader cable to the connector on the system board. Repeat steps 1 through 3 to replace the Thunderbolt board.